Okay guys,
Agbugo ka pa eh.
see now I will wash the hand first before I am eating
Like this.
breakfast. This is.
Like this Filipino style.
Okay. Welcome to the next video guys. Okay, see here. Today the breakfast is very fresh. This is sea grapes. We used to call in Ilocano arara seed. Okay.
Yes.
It's a seaweed like that also they used to tell in ocean. And mixed with kamatis, suka,
No, kamatis. Just only
kamatis, bagong.
kamatis. No need because
kamatis.
this one is already salty.
Okay, and this one, see this one is pork, baboy, mixed in breadcrumbs and then the fry. It's one, okay, and this one is just toyo.
Fry or grill?
Fry, okay.
But you can put grill.
Chili, and that one soy with calamansi, sour. This one I like. I used to eat this one like every time. Whenever I came before when my chef, I came here, I like to eat in the restaurant with this one.
Mary, where?
Here, you know, see,
Where? Which place?
in
Which
Davao,
which country?
Philippines. Okay, I'll put some, and then I will take this fry. This one whole I can take. No
That's
problem.
for you. Everything is for you. This.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I will take the chili also. Eat everything. Take. Because I need some spicy. This one also. This toyo also everything for me.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And this one.
Ano sa Tagalog ang Tagalog in thank you?
Salamat.
In Ilocano, agyaman na.
Agyaman na. Okay, I will take. I can use my hand, right?
Can you show me?
See? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take it. Because it is in my leg only. No problem. Some more. Because I like this one. When you see this one. Okay. This one, okay. When you are eating this one, it is like gum inside. You can feel it. Brownie. This one very tasty. You know the ocean saltiness taste you can feel, right? Here Nana I also like this one, right?
Yeah, I will give some to Nanay, but this one is for you. You can eat everything. I already separate.
But how much is this one today?
50 peso.
50 peso per how much? Like
Just 1/4.
1/4. Okay. This is expensive, right? This one is very healthy, and also something like I'm not sure about that one. What are the vitamins here? But very healthy. Uncooked one raw. You can easily eat this one. Anyone can eat this one, right? You don't need to worry about that one. And mix with the rice. And then I'll eat. When you mix with the rice, the gum, it's mixed with this rice. It's very tasty. You can feel the freshness of the ocean, the taste, saltiness.
Excuse Roxy. Allah, begitu yung aso.
Lucy, I need you to put the soy here. To spread.
Because
No, with the spoon you put. Don't put like that. No, don't put like that. With the spoon.
With the spoon.
Here. 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 Everything. Nicely. Wow. I can feel the smell.
Because of the
Calamansi.
Calamansi. Calamansi.
Here, not same like in India. They don't have that lemon. So the calamansi is like a small one. Sour. Very tasty. You can, wherever you go to the restaurant, they will give 1-2 pieces of calamansi, one red Thailand chili. They will give when you cut and put in soy and dip with that the calamansi also some.
You're talking about inasal,
like that.
Yes.
Nice. In restaurant, normal hotel also, they are
Oh,
giving.
yeah.
Not
Some-
only in NSR.
Some restaurants. Some.
Mm,
Oh,
that's
yeah,
what I
yeah.
like.
Mostly.
Yeah, when we go to Dubai
Carinderia.
hypermarket outside.
Is a restaurant. That one is, we call it here in Philippines, Carinderia.
Nice. Really.
Very
There no spicy enough. So I used to eat.
It's fresh from the garden.
Very
By
tasty.
mini garden.
Yeah, backyard only.
How about the tuyo? Good morning,
Ah.
tuyo. Indiano eating tuyo. Good morning, tuyo.
The chili is very spicy. Small, but
This
you can
is-
feel that spiciness.
This is what kind of, because we have a lot, we have variety, have the pang sigang na sili, like the long one, the green, like that. We put in the sigang, that one is, and
But that chili, same like in India, we have the little bit
Taiwan
size.
sili, Taiwan sili.
Medium.
Mm. Something,
See, yes. Toyo.
tuyo. Toyo is this one.
Oh,
Sa mga Tagalog, in Tagalog, we call toyo.
Toyo.
This one toyo in
Tuyo.
Ilocano because the pronounce is different.
Mm.
If you go to store, can I buy toyo? Then they will give this one, not this one. And
Toyo.
Toyo.
Tuyo. Toyo. Tuyo.
In Ilocano, in some of the Ilocano also, the tuyo. Tuyo means
Toyo.
no, different again. We have
Huh?
in Ilocano tuyo, jay. Remember if we rice, if we grind the rice, the brown thing, the very tiny one for eating pig or the cow, that one is toyo. Ay toyo, I mean itself toyo. Ay mga tangti tuyo. Toyo is this one,
Oh, okay.
toyo. Ah, yeah.
See? Oh.
Thank you guys for watching. And so our subscribers also, thank you very much. You
Some person they have most of them they are now watching, and thank you. You guys are supporting. Without you, we cannot able to achieve like this.
yes,
And we will try to make some more nicer.
nice.
And we will see on the next video also. And I will try to make another nice video like cooking some different kind of dish like Indian and also Filipino, both we together we will try to cook. And also we will try to take some sceneries
And
also outside in the mountain.
Please watch also our Facebook.
I mean,
We have
follow.
2 Facebook page. We
One
can
is
tell.
Indiano ng Pinoy,
We can tell.
another one is Twohungry travel.
We have 2 pages.
Okay.
Pages.
The one
Facebook
is new,
page.
Indiano ng Pinoy.
Indianong Pinoy.
Indianong Pinoy.
The
And the
other
other
one.
one is Twohungry travel. Okay guys? And
Just follow us there.
follow. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe, comment, and also share our video.
And share guys
And
what
watch all the videos also, and give any ideas also what we can able to upload.
next
Also
time.
we will do
Yeah.
that one. And thank you once again, and God bless everyone.
Stay
Bye-bye.
safe everyone,
Yeah.
and
Sorry guys, forgot to say.
stay everyone.
Safe.
Okay?
Okay guys,
Eat
bye.
healthy food.